Hey friends, so I was thinking today, one of the things I love about watercolours, they have an amazing way of showing us how to be brave. Not that, loud kind of bravery, like jumping from a plane. I've done that twice, and believe me, it took a whole lot more than just bravery to do it. But the everyday kind of bravery is what I'm talking about. That kind that it takes to actually get through days sometimes, and get through life. That bravery to try something new, the bravery to sit with uncertainty, and to let go of needing everything to be perfect. You've got to be brave to let go of control. That's where I found out. You really have, and watercolours helped me find that out. And when you start painting, especially with watercolours, that everyday kind of little quiet bravery comes into play. Am I brave enough to spend money on supplies? Am I brave enough to say that my art matters and I can dedicate time to painting? Am I brave enough to show somebody else what I've actually painted at the end? Every time you put brush to paper, you're stepping into the unknown, and the paint might move differently than you expect. Colours run together. The result might not look like the picture in your head or even the picture that you're copying. And that's exactly the point. Because watercolours remind us that being brave is not about getting it right. It's about showing up even when you can't control the outcome. And it's about trying, experimenting, and giving yourself permission to see what happens. It's all about allowing the space to create. And when you do start to let go of control, to embrace that uncertainty, that kind of bravery, it doesn't just stay on the page. It doesn't, believe me. It shifts into other parts of your life. It helps to ease perfectionism. It softens self-doubt. And it reminds you that you can handle a lot more than you think. So the next time you sit down to paint, notice that quiet courage that it takes just to even begin. That first brushstroke is small, but it's a steady act of bravery.